Malalo go tswa SABC Studio 10 Auckland Park, Johannesburg. Le go tlisetsa kgaso ya dikgang tsa Setswana. A re ketla mmogo ka tshedimosetso. Mogaetsho madume re dithankgolola ka gore mopresidente wa IFP Velinkosini Hlabisa a re keteko moletlo ya dingwaga di le 50 tsa lekoko e tshwaya boswa le bopaki jwa kgotlhelelo le serodumo. Hlabisa a re ka nako eo makoko a sepolotiki otlhe a ne a didimadiwa le go patelediwa go ya botshabelo ke puso ya kgetololo, IFP e ne ya ema ka nosi le go lopa gore Nelson Mandela a gololwe. A re lekoko le ne gape la lopa gore go phumolwe dikiletso go makoko otlhe a sepolotiki ka motsing oo.
The apartheid government could not ban inkatha inkululeko yesizwe because strategically and deliberately inkatha inkululeko yesizwe was founded as a national cultural liberation movement. The journey of the IFP over the 50 years has been a remarkable one. A journey of good times, a journey of difficult times, and a journey now again of good times. Ours has been a story of resilience, service, and integrity. It is right that we take this time to reflect on the journey of Inkatha Freedom Party and the role we have played in our nation's pursuit of freedom, unity, and democracy.
Kabagare ba emanokeng ba lekoko la IFP ba lebane ba mogetswe kwa bookelong morago ga kotsi ya bese gaufi le Vryheid kwa bokone jwa KwaZulu-Natal. Ba emanokeng bano ba ne ba le mo tseleng go leba kwa Ulundi go keteka dingwaga di le 50 lekoko le tlhamilwe.
We want to first of all send our well wishes to our comrades from Gauteng who found themselves in a very unfortunate situation this morning where one of our buses was involved in a crash. He was unable to navigate a stop sign, causing that accident. At this point, the report we have received is that there have been 4 injuries. We will continue giving updates, but what we can say is that yes, an accident unfortunately took place. There have been 4 persons injured who have had to be rushed to hospital.
Moambasadara wa Afrika Borwa kwa Amerika yo beleseditsweng Ibrahim Rasool wa amogetswe ka tlatsopedi monogae ke ANC le makala a yone a semphato mo profenseng. Kantoro ya mopresidente e ne e kopile gore makoko a amogelang baeng a se etegetse dikamano tsa sediplomate fa gare ga dinaga ka bobedi. Rasool yo o begilweng fa a amogelesegile kwa Amerika morago ga ditshwaelo tsa gagwe tebang le puo ya gagwe e golagangwang le mopresidente Donald Trump le mo gareng ga ya gore basweu ba botoka go na le merafe e mengwe. A re o ne a solofetse go boela mo nageng ka dikamano tse di botoka thata magareng ga dinaga ka bobedi. ANC kwa Western Cape ya re e tla monela tšhono ya go begela mopresidente Cyril Ramaphosa pele lekoko le kopana le ene mabapi le go belesediwa ga gagwe. O solofetse go leba kwa Pretoria ka moso go ya go kopana le mopresidente le tona ya dikamano tsa boditšhabatšhaba Ronald Lamula.
We come here even after being declared persona non grata. We still come here and say we must rebuild and we must reset the relationship with America, because our relationship with America over 50 years has not always been with the White House. It has sometimes been with Congress, and it has always been with the people of the United States of America. When the White House and Congress declared us as terrorists, it was the dock workers in San Francisco that refused to touch South African goods. When Congress did not want to have sanctions, it was the American people who did not eat our fruit and did not touch our goods. And so we have this relationship that we must reset and we must rebuild.
Ditao di le pedi tse e neng e le batswasetlhabelo ba kgwebisano di buseditswe ka pabalesego kwa legaeng la tsona kwa Wild Game Reserve kwa Graateloft, Limpopo. Yona le ISIS di ne di a tsewa mo lefelong la tsone la tlholego ka ngwaga wa 2020 mme di a tshwarwa kwa France. Jaanong ditau tseno di mo tlhabololong mo tikologong ya tlholego e e babalesegileng.
Morago wa go swara bothopya mengwaga e mehlano ka nageng ya Forum, ditau tše pedi tšeo leina la tsona e lego Yoda le ISIS di bušeditšwe morago mmung wa botšona. Yoda le ISIS di amogile mmago tswana nakong ya ge e sa le tše nnyane. Tsona e be di šomišwa ke badiragatši go dikgatišo tša mmino le go diragatša ka mafelaneng a boithabišo. Sello sa Yoda le ISIS sa go šomišwa bošaeding se kwagetšwe morago ga gore kgatišo ya video di phatlalatšwe yeo e be go bontšhago ka mo ditau tše e be go di tlaišwa ka gona. Mekgatlo ya lefase ya go lwela ditokelo tša diphoofolo e kile ya tsena seemo ka bogare mo di lwetšeng gore ditau tše di lokollwe. Diteko tša madi di kgonthišitše gore Yoda le ISIS ke baratho e lego seo se kgonthišitšego segwera sa bona.
They were used by a rapper, French rapper, in his music videos and social media posts, and obviously had them illegally. And so once the authorities started seeing these videos on social media, they decided to try and locate him. And as soon as he found out the police was on his tracks, he abandoned these two lion cubs in a park in France.
Le tlo ba le khala mathomo ka morago ga mengwaga e mehlano mo go Yoda le ISIS ba tlo gata go mmu o ba tlo go bitšwa legae la bona ka mono kontinenteng ya Afrika. Go rora ga ditau tše ke sešupo sa ka mo ditau tše di amogela go legae la bona le leswa. Ke Mahlatse Phaladin, ditabeng tša SABC, Graateloft.
Morafe wa Marasta kwa Kimberley kwa Northern Cape kitikile letsatsi la ditshwanelo tsa botho ba re kamogelo ya komishene ya ditshwanelo tsa botho ya gore batswasetlhabelo ba kgethololo le go se tsewe tsia ke sengwe se ba tshwanetseng go se keteka. Ba re ba santse ba tlhorontshiwa ke sepodisi ka go ba tshwarela matekwane.
E setse e ka nna dingwaga di ka nna lekgolo fa e sa le tumelo ya serasta e simolotse. Le fa go le jalo balatedi ba re le ga jaana ba santse ba kgethololwa mme sepako segolo sa kgethololo eno ke motokwane.
We are saying that we are the custodians of marijuana. Our people have been victimized for more than 50 years when Dikgang was banned in South Africa. Our same Rastafari people, they have cases. Our same Rastafari people could not find jobs because of these cases. So we say that we must be the people that have the right to benefit directly when it comes to trade and industry.
Ditokololo tsa tumelo eno di bega gore se ba se ipatlelang fela ke go diragatsa tumelo ya bone jaaka batho botlhe.
We celebrate you today because they recognize us, so we also want to show them our way of life and our liberty. Police are still brutalizing us in vain. When they see us, they already see Dikgang, so we are in a problem.
We celebrate this day because you must remember we come from slavery. And we have been 400 years in slavery. But today, we, these people around here, we see ourselves as human beings, no more longer slaves.
Komishene ya ditshwanelo tsa botho ya Afrika Borwa e ne e tshwere ditherisano ka ditshwanelo tsa ditokololo tsa tumelo ya serasta mo kgweding e fetileng mme kemedi go tswa kwa sepodising le NPA le yona e ne e le teng. Gape ba batla gore ditokololo tsa bone di ungwelwe go tswa mo kgwebong ya bodirelo jwa motokwane mme ba bega gore ditokololo tsa tumelo eno ba na le ditshwanelo tsa go nna beng ba motokwane kana intellectual property rights.
Wetso tsa segonjono re di ba khutla fela fano re leboge ke monokeng ya gago ga jana re sutela ponelo pele ya maemo a bosa fitlhana kwa latela wetso pula.